Okay, I have two phones now. This is Adobe Scan, and I'm going to show you how to scan your homework and make it one document as a PDF. Now, I'm going to use Adobe Scan. You can use other scanning programs like Scannable or Evernote, or even I think some phones have scanning apps. But let's just focus on Adobe Scan. I use this because I have Adobe software. I have an account with Adobe. When I open Adobe Scan like this, you can see it opens up here. Sometimes it opens up to the picture. Now, it's looking for a document already. So watch what happens when I line it up. It made a scan. Now, I'm going to keep on scanning different documents. Hold on a second. I'm going to turn the page of this one. We're imagining this is my homework. All the homework I've done. Everything, no matter how unimportant you think it is, I like to see it. Just to see that you've been working in class. And again, you can see how the app itself will line up the pages perfectly for you. So now it's still working. It's still going. It's making one file called a PDF. And here I have some more homework I did. This was a vocabulary test. I hold my phone up and it scans it up like that very nicely. Let's say I've scanned all my homework for all of the weeks. Now what I'm going to do is I'm now going to go here and I can look at my scan and I can see page 1, page 2, page 3. Now, because you've been in class so many days, you will have at least 8 pages to show me, right? The next thing I want to do is name it. And usually if you go here, you can name it. And the best thing to do is give it your name. So for me, it would be Jen, Weeks. Ooh, this is works. Weeks. Okay, I can't really, it's very hard for me to do this. Okay, weeks. 1 and 2. So I know which file it is. Then I click rename. We learned this RE today. We've learned this word RE, name, rename. Now I want to save my PDF. I click save. Ah, I can do it. There. It's recognizing the text. It's saving it as a PDF. And for me, it saved it into my Adobe Scan account. I have an account. Now, if you want to share it, you can go like this and share a copy, okay? And then you can save it to your files. You can save it to your Dropbox or your desktop. I'm going to save it onto my desktop of my computer. And then I'm just going to click save. Now I have it on the desktop of my computer. Another thing is if you can connect. You can export the PDF. You can save it as a JPEG. You can do a lot of different things. I think I would like to be able to copy it to my Google Drive, save a copy, continue, and then it's going to have me sign in to my Google Drive, and there it is. It didn't recommend, try Face ID again. Oh, it wants me to enter my passcode. And now continue. All right, continue. And so now it's saving it to my Google Drive, which is great. Continue. my drive, and save. So now my file of my homework is in my Google Drive, and I can simply upload this to the homework assignment so that my teacher can see it. I hope that helps.